So the next question, see, this is the graph is given. Then question asks, starting vertex is 1. What is the sequence of traversal of using DFS, and what is the starting time, what is the finishing time? Let's solve this question. So I'm solving this question in the shortcut way, but please you go through the way like you write in the adjacent vertices, then write the what the sequence are there, which sequence we have to proceed, then also write the stack contents. In this way you have to solve in your exam, but here I am showing you the shortcut method. So suppose starting vertex is 1. So see 1, as it is asked also the starting time and the finishing time. So what time 1 will be explored? At 1 unit of time 1 will be explored. So by 1 I am exploring the next vertex is 2. So 2 is explored at the time 2 unit of the time, and 1 is entered into the stack. Next by 2 I am exploring 3 and 4. Suppose I am going to 3, from 2 to 3. So 3 will be explored at 3 unit of the time, and 2 will be entered into the stack. So using 3 I am exploring what? 5. Okay, using 3 I am exploring the 5. Then 5 will be explored at the 4th unit of the time, and 3 will be entered into the stack. So by 5, can you explore any new vertex? No, this is a directed graph, so no vertex will be explored here. By using 5, that means the 5 work is here over, no need to add into the stack, and 5 work is over at what time unit? At 5 time unit. 5 work is over. Then what happened? You have pop out the element 3 and check. From 3 we have the adjacent is 5. 5 is already over. That means using 3 also we cannot explore any new edges. So again pop out the 2. So using 2, can you explore any new edges? 2 is 3 and 4. 3 is already visited, but 4 is not visited. So using 2 I am exploring what? 4. Okay, that means 4 is explored. So here also 3 work is also over. 3 work is also over. That means 3 timing is also over, finishing time. Then after 4 is explored at what time unit? At 7 time unit 4 is explored. Okay, next. So 4 is explored by 2. That means 2 will be again entered into the stack. So using 4, 4 is explored at 7 unit time. So what is the adjacent of the 4? 4 adjacent is your 3 and 5. 3 is already visited, 5 also visited. That means no need to add into the stack. 4 is also completed. 4 is also completed is visit. That means at what time unit 4 will be completed? At 7, at 8. 8 time unit 4 will be completed is 1. Then what happened? We have to backtrack, means we have to pop out this 2 and again check. 2 is 3 and 4. 3 will be already visited, 4 is also visited. That means 2 work is also over. So what time unit 2 work is over? After 8, this is 9. Next 1 will be pop out. 1 adjacent is 3, 2. 3 is already over, 2 is already over. That means at what time unit 1 is completed? At the 10 time unit 1 is completed. So these are some starting time and finishing time of the each node. That means that starting time, which time node is or the vertex is discovered. At finishing time means at what time node is finished its traverse. Okay, so this is your sequence and this is your stack contents. So how to draw the spanning tree here? Suppose 1 is there, 1 to 2. I am drawing here 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, 2 to 3, then 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Okay, then 5 to 4 is no direct edges is there. Okay, that means it backtracking from which? It's 5 to 3, then 3 to 2, and then 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Okay, so this is your spanning tree of this graph. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertex are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 edges are there. Okay, n vertex n minus 1 edges are there. So this is your sequence, and this is your stack contents, and this is your spanning tree. But you have to do in the sequentially order for your long questions to find out what are the stack contents and what is the sequence of this graph.